Welcome to the Lab Entry General Introduction. This slide presentation is available as a slideshow. If you want to get a copy of it, you can find it online. Lab Entry is a company that provides a cloud-based LIS and client portal. And our motto is, all you need is an internet connection and a web browser. So we provide the web-based LIS in the cloud, which is one-stop shopping. It handles both your internal and external users. Users internal to the lab get support for their bench work and support for consultants to work remotely. Clients, users external to the lab, get a secure online order entry system and a secure report download and order status checking. We expect lab entry customers to be specialized clinical reference labs with molecular genetics testing whose concerns are less about volume and more about ease of use and ease of reporting, so lower volume, higher value assays. Less pressure on turnaround time, so doing some things by hand makes sense because the cost of automation isn't offset by volume. Why use lab entry? Because you are more like a high-tech startup than a regular lab, so you want the same things a high-tech startup wants, the same things that Google Cloud and Amazon Cloud provide. No capital expense, all operating budget. A low operational cost, a short ramp-up time, and a predictable monthly amount. Our typical customer probably doesn't have in-house IT staff because they're a small lab. They have a dependable internet connection because we do everything in the cloud, and they have a browser, whether it's on a PC, a Mac, a tablet, a laptop, we don't care. And since they're high value, low volume, doing things by hand makes sense for them. So ideally, your clients can use Lab Entry's public face to log in and then enter orders. But many small labs find that their customers don't like to enter orders, and you'll get a paper order along with a specimen. And then you use Lab Entry's inside UI to enter the order as part of receiving the specimen. And results are usually key punched by your bench tech because we're assuming high value, low volume. We can build instrument interfaces for higher volume customers. We're very experienced in this area, but we just don't think that our target audience with this particular product is going to need that. Impressions get in because your consultants use Lab Entry over the internet to record their impressions, which automatically triggers reports. They can use Lab Entry internally, in your place if they need access to your text or to lab results, and they can use it externally, securely over the internet. You can deliver reports traditionally by printing out a PDF and mailing it, or your clients can log into Lab Entry and view the report PDF as well. Again, we have a lot of experience with classical online reference lab interfaces, and we're happy to build them for customers who require them. And this is where HL7 comes in. For higher volume customers, we can provide an option to have a traditional reference lab HL7 interface, which we're sure works because we've done it with a lot of labs. These are the technical details, but since our target audience isn't very technical, we're not going to spend a lot of time looking at these. And what happens if you outgrow us? Well, we hope, we'll be happy to support you outgrowing us. And we have no problem trying to get the data out of our system and into somebody else's. And we're happy to be there if you need to come back to us. So we're experts in data interchange, and we'll do whatever we can to help you migrate. So consider us if you need to start doing business quickly. You don't have a lot of IT infrastructure, and you don't have a lot of capital to expend on it, and you're a specialized lab. So you need the features that you need, but not the ones you don't want.